Welcome back, it's Regina from Eat Travel Life, and today we're smoking a whole chicken, so let's go ahead and get started. Here are the things you're going to need to make this juicy, delicious chicken. You're going to need to make sure it's thawed, and then go ahead and remove the spine from that. Never mind that we don't have the proper knives, we bought them later. And go ahead and flatten out the chicken and then pat it dry. You want to make sure it's nice and dry because we're going to be applying the oil, and when you are working with a wet chicken, it can be slippery. So go ahead and apply the oil here and make sure you get it all over on both sides, coating it well. And if I haven't mentioned it yet, we're smoking this, so you're going to need to start your smoker, add the water, and get everything ready because you want to heat it up for when we're done. And then go ahead and add the seasoning. You can add your favorite seasoning that you have for chicken. We're using Grill Your Ass Off Willie Pete's chicken seasoning. And this is going to need to go on all sides of the chicken. This is what's going to give it a lot of delicious flavor. So just go ahead and rub that in under the little wings, on the wings, everywhere. If you notice, we're using a little bowl for our seasoning. That helps not get anything contaminated with chicken, because obviously you're going to need to wash your hands thoroughly. And now that that's done, we're going to be using our thermometer, and you're going to put that in the deepest part of your meat, and ours has a little tag or a line on it, and you're going to want to make sure that that is deep into the chicken when you put it in the smoker, and that'll give us the temperature, and we can actually look at it remotely. There'll be a link in here if you want more details about the thermometer and how we used it when we smoked our beef. After an hour, this is what our chicken looked like in the smoker, and we checked the water to make sure that there was still some there. Can't have smoke without the water and the wood chips. And this is what it looked like once it met the internal temperature of 165. Perfect, delicious, and ready to eat. We ended up pulling the meat off and eating that as a pulled chicken. And I'll show you here in a minute what it looked like, but it's just evenly flavored and cooked. It was so juicy. It was wonderful. I served mine over potatoes with a little bit of barbecue. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how you enjoy your smoked chicken. Have a great day.